welcome to Fairfield City Open Libraries Origami Fish tutorial. Gather a piece of origami paper or A4 printer paper cut to a square. For the A4 paper, take one corner and fold it down till it lines up with the bottom edge. Then fold the leftover rectangle piece over the top to create a crease so you know where to cut. Open it up and cut along the directed fold to create a square shape. This is the square piece of paper, but today we will be using a colored piece of origami paper. Fold one corner to the diagonally opposite corner to create a diagonal fold. Do the same for the other corner. Open up the paper and fold it in half. These are the creases you should have formed. Then pinch the folds made from folding the paper in half inwards to create a triangle shape. This is the body. Lay the shape flat and take a corner of the top triangle and fold it in likewise and open it up. Then do the same to the other corner. Fold both triangle pieces over one another to form the tail. Flip your fish over and add any details you would like. Here we added an eye and gills. But if you were using a rectangle piece of paper, you could color it in or add scales or any design. For the backdrop, we decided to go for a simple ocean theme. First, add some waves with a blue pastel, then a sun with a yellow pastel, and some birds with a brown pastel. To complete your artwork, you can make more fish from different colored paper and different sizes to create a whole school of fish. Place them on top or glue them down. Finally, did you know fish breathe through their gills? Fish have been around for millions of years. Fish can remember places abundant in food. Scales help fish to swim. Fish communicate through sound, color, and movement. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Have a great day.